Zinnias are a fantastic annual flower and are loved for their daisies, like shapes in vibrant colors blooming all summer to the beginning of the frost season. Types of zinnias. Zinnias are available in a variety of species, with the most popular one being Zinnia elegans. The three main types of zinnia flowers include single, semi-double, or double. Single-flowered zinnias have a visible center and a single row of petals. Double-flowered zinnias have invisible centers and numerous rows of petals. Semi-double-flowered zinnias have visible centers with numerous rows of petals. Zinnia flowers also come in several shapes, including buttons, beehives, and cactus. The plants also come in different heights. The taller varieties are best for the back of the garden, while the shorter ones work well on the border. Zinnias full sun or shade. Most planting directions for zinnias on the back of a plant tab or a seed packet advise that you grow your flowers under full sun. If your garden receives full sun from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. or partial sun from 10 is to 4 p.m., both climates are great for zinnias to thrive. Any garden that receives less than 6 hours of sun qualifies as part shade. The shade might be light, full, or dappled, depending on the obstruction. Zinnias thrive in full sun, or partial shade. They do not love the full shade as they need the sun to bloom. Facts about zinnias. These beautiful flowers are native to Mexico. They are tender annuals and succumb very easily to frost. You can plant either seedlings or seeds. Planting zinnia seeds or seedlings must start at the last date of the frost date. This flower grows fast from germination to maturity in 8 to 12 weeks. However, it depends on the cultivar. If you live in the northern climates, it is advisable to start zinnia seeds indoors at least 3 to 4 weeks before the spring under bright lights. Zinnia seeds require plenty of light to germinate. These flowers begin blooming in early summer. They form new buds while the flowers bloom. You can deadhead zinnias to keep them blooming more. You can plant these flowers at 2 weeks intervals to enjoy a continuous bloom all summer and fall to the first day of the frost. These flowers enjoy full sun and tolerate drought. They also bloom best when watered properly. Why zinnias love the sun? These plants love the full sun, which helps them produce carbohydrates and sugars in their cells, known as chloroplasts. The chlorophyll in these cells gives this plant a lovely green color. The carbohydrates enhance the process of converting nutrients for plants to make plant tissue. In annual plants, the growth rate is fast, and flowering is continuous, therefore the need for continuous photosynthesis. Photosynthesis supplies a reliable stream of carbohydrates resulting in plenty of bloom and more growth. Zinnia's relationship with shade. It is possible to grow zinnias in the partial sun, meaning less than 6 hours of sun each day. Zinnias in the shade end up producing fewer flowers and smaller plants. If you want to grow about 4 feet tall garden zinnias, you should aim at growing them as much as possible. Growing zinnias in part shade cause them to develop powdery mildew. Mildew is a fungal infection that thrives in cool, humid places with poor circulation. Tips on how to grow zinnia seeds. Zinnias are affected by insect problems, aphids, mites, fungal diseases, mildew, and black spot. To prevent these problems, grow these flowers in full sun with plenty of air circulation. These flowers do not like being crowded. Water zinnias in the morning, so the leaves dry out quickly in the sun. If you water them in the evening, the leaves stay wet all night, making them more prone to fungal problems. These flowers grow fast and bloom in about 6 to 8 weeks after seeding. You can plant them through July for blooms that will last until the next frosting season. Zinnias thrive in gardens and containers, but not in small pots. Choose a pot that is at least 12 inches for best results. The most colorful flower cluster is zinnias. Not only are they beautiful and bright, but they are easy for a beginner to cultivate. They say there is a zinnia for every garden. Plant your zinnias in an annual or mixed border garden. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.